Exercise 5.2 from the question number 11. Which term of the AP, question number 11, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? The question is, which term of an AP is 132 more than its 54th term? The AP is 3, 15, 27, 39. In this AP, A equal to 3 and D equal to 15 minus 3 equal to 8. Put in the value AN. AN means which term of an AP? A plus N minus 1 into D equal to A54, A plus 54 minus 1 into D plus 132. Now A is A. 3 put the value of A, otherwise A cancel. N minus 1 into 8 equal to 53 into 8 plus 132. 324 plus 132 is 456. Then N minus 1 equal to 456 by 8. 8 5 ja 40, 8 7 ja 57. N equal to 57 plus 1. It means 58th term is 132 more than 54th term. Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Let us make a series of which number 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. 3-digit numbers started with 100 up to 999. The first number which is divisible by 7 is 105. Next 112. And the last number is 994. The A equal to 105 and D equal to 7 and AN equal to 994. How many numbers? N. We have to find N. A plus N minus 1 into D. 994 minus 105. Equal to N minus 1 into 7. Subtract 889 by 7. By cancelling 127. N equal to 127 plus 1 equal to 128. How many numbers are divisible by 7? 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 is answer 128. Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Multiples of 4. First multiple of 10. First multiple of 4 after 10 is 12, 16, etc. And last is 248. Here A equal to 12, D equal to 4 and AN equal to 248. We have to find N. 248 equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12, 236 divided by 4 equal to N minus 1. 4 5 ja N minus 1 equal to 59 plus 1 equal to 60. How many terms? The number of terms equal to 60 lies between 10 and 250. Next question. Question number 15. For what value of N are the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67, 10, 17 is the equal? Which term are equal to both the series? The nth term of both the series are same. Here a equal to 63 and d equal to 65 minus 63 equal to 2. And here a equal to 3 and d equal to 10 minus 3, 7. A plus, both the terms a n equal, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a plus n minus 1 into 7. Solve this. 63 minus 3 equal to 7n minus 7 minus 2n plus 2. 60 minus 5, here is plus 5, equal to 5n. n equal to 65 by 5. 13th term of these two APs are equal to each other. Next question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Third term is 16 and 7th term is 12 more than the 5th term. A3 equal to a plus 2d equal to 16 and a plus 6d equal to a plus 4d plus 12. A cancel. 6d minus 4d, 2d equal to 12, d equal to 6. Put the value of d equal to 6 in this equation. A plus 2 into 6 equal to 16. And a equal to 6 to 12. 16 minus 12 equal to 4. Determine the AP. AP is a plus d and a plus 2d, etc. 4 plus 10, 10 plus 6, 16. This is an AP. Next question. Find the 20th term from the last 3, 8, 13 up to 253. Question number 17. 3, 8, 13, 253. Find the 20th term from the last. The formula is an equal to L plus n minus 1 into d. N equal to 20, a equal to 3, d equal to 5. Put the value 253. An equal to 253. An equal to A20 equal to 253 minus 20 minus 1 into d. 253 minus 19 5 ja 95 minus 13 minus 5 8, 14 minus 9 5, 158. This is the 20th term from the last. Question number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. Sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. Sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. A4, a plus 3d, a plus 7d equal to 24. 2a plus 10d equal to 24. It means a equal plus 5d equal to 12. This is the first equation. And second, a plus 5d, a plus 9d equal to 44. A plus 9 plus 5, 14, and it means 7d equal to 22. These are the two equations. Subtracting first from second, we get 2d equal to 10, d equal to 5. D equal to 5. Put the value of d in any one equation. Equation number 1. A plus 5d equal to 12. A plus 5 into 5, 12. 25. A equal to minus 13. The series becomes minus 13. minus 30, a plus d, minus 30 minus 1, minus 8, minus 3. This is the series. Shubha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of 200 each year. In which year did the income reach 7,000? An equal to 7,000, A equal to 5,000, D equal to 200. Find N. An, A and D. An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 7,000, 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D means 200 into 200. 2,000 by 200 equal to N minus 1. 10 times N equal to 10 plus 1, it means 11. And after 11 year, she will get 7,000 rupees. Last question number 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in first week, then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the 9th week, weekly savings rupees 20.75. Find N. Simple question. A equal to 5, D equal to 1.75, AN 20.75. Find N. A equal to 5, D 1.75, AN 20.75. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. 20.75 equal to 5 plus 1.75 is D into N minus 1. 20.75 minus 5 is 15.75 equal to 1.75 into N minus 1. 15.75 by 1.75 equal to N minus 1. Cancelling this and cancel by each other. By cancelling this, we will get the 9. N minus 1 equal to 9. It means N equal to 9 plus 1, 10. This is the answer. N equal to 10. Thank you.